Mga brad, mababa yung ano niya, yung seat height niya. If I want a little more aggressive, Miss Cathy, ano yung iba pang bikes na meron tayo dito? Miss Cathy, kung ako ay mayabang, ano yung bike na medyo mas pang mayabang? Front suspension niya. Dual disc. Motor ni Juan has been searching for big bikes. May mga iba-ibang shops na tayo napuntahan, may mga iba-ibang bikes na rin tayo na-try. So, kami ni Mrs. from Bagger, from Bagger, going to Bulacan, nadaanan natin itong Honda big bike sa, anong lugar na to? Sa Cabanatuan. So, we decided to stop by, tapos kakatingin natin ng big bikes dito, nakilala natin si Miss Cathy. Yan, tawagin natin si Miss Cathy. Ayan. So, Miss Cathy, tell us something muna about this shop. Kaya pa ba itong pwesto na ito dito?
Actually, kaka-open lang niya I think last year. So, hindi pa siya ganun talaga. Before, kausapin kasi yan. So, sila sa site.
Tapos, itong site na to, itong store na to, specific to big bikes?
Yeah. Only 500cc up.
500cc up. So, maganda niya mga brad. Tutor tayo ni Miss Cathy. Tapos, describe niya na sa atin yung ilang mga basic specs ng mga bikes, especially for the ones looking katulad ko. So, Miss Cathy, eto, what would you recommend as a beginner big bike?
I think, Rebel 500cc.
Ayun po yun doon.
Yes. So, we have matte armors in silver metallic for beginners. Kasi roadster siya, so for comfort and mga basic na safe. And may mga aftermarket accessories for that.
Oo nga, no? Mga brad, mababa yung ano niya, yung seat height niya. So even for those na medyo mas mababa yung height, ako kasi 5'10" eh, so very rare naman na may problema ako sa mga motor. Problema ko lang siguro yung pambigay. No, pero for this one, for the height, okay siya, very comfy. Pati si Macy's hindi mahirapan ng mangkas dito. Wide handlebars. Decent naman yung turning radius. Singular digital panel for the gauge, and then the usual stuff. May kill switch, may built-in hazard, and start, signal. Okay. Ano yung light na to ate? LED na to?
Hindi ba siya LED?
Bulb type?
Yeah. Ang LED is, ready siya for 2020, pero wala pa siya nakasakit.
Okay. Ang Rebel 500 ay, dito ka ate. Sama mo ako sa video. Ayan, para baka magkaroon ka ng mga fans dito. Miss Cathy, magkano ang Rebel 500?
175 sir for SR. Free registration in cash.
Okay.
3 years LTO worth 4.5, and then we offer financing 1 year to 4 years.
Okay. Tinitingnan ko na to eh. Kasi ang candidate ko talaga, mami, no? Vulcan S. Ito yung medyo
same price,
similar.
pero Honda for quality.
Ayan. Honda daw for quality. Honda, baka naman pasubok ng quality na yan. Diba? Okay. So we have big bike number 1, which is Rebel 500. If I want a little more aggressive, Miss Cathy, ano yung iba pang bikes na meron tayo dito?
We also have the CBR 500R.
Puntahan natin. So this is CBR 500. Aggressive yung looks ng mga brother. And as you can see, this is more of a sports type. No? Sports type motorcycle. Obviously 500cc. Pero yung seat height niya, hindi ganun mataas. Mabakalit. Okay. Anong specs nito, Miss Cathy?
Sir, ABS na siya front and rear. For sports style, adventure style, kaya.
Medyo okay yung...
We also have sir 1000cc pero wala pa kami stock.
Yung CB1000. So this is CB500. May ibang colors ng CB500 or red?
Wala sir, si Honda is 1 color per year per country. So as of 2019, red lang siya.
So yung stance naman ng CB500, yun yung medyo aggressive. Standard yung foot position niya. Pero yung sa likod, medyo aggressive stance eh, sports type, so this is already given. No, medyo nakayupo kang konti. For long ride, malaman natin. Yan, hintay ko pa rin yung papahiram ni Honda sa atin. Para masubukan talaga natin for long ride. Hindi, yung comfort level talaga. If this is good for me. Kasi kami ni Missy, so kung napanood yung mga video sa atin mga brad, we always go for long ride yan. Ngayon nga, pauwi pa lang tayo. Diba? So this is CB500. Miss Cathy, kung ako ay mayabang, ano yung bike na medyo mas pang mayabang? CB1000? Sige, tingnan niya natin. Pwede natin pag-ibay mo.
Mga last upgrade. Kasi dito sir, wala silang papalitan. Pero kung mas gusto nilang mas mayabang, palit ng EVO.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Palit ng EVO.
So this is CB1000. Hindi siya masyado nakayuko in terms of riding position.
Seat height kasi niya sir, 830 mm.
Kung titingnan mo yung ano ko, at my height, medyo tiptoe ako. Still okay pa rin naman. But, yun nga lang, sa medyo mas maliit sa height, baka mas mahirapan. Unless you can, pwede pa ba i-adjust yung shocks or yung seats na?
Yung seats sir,
Yung seats pwede pa bukasan. So, this is CB1000. Ano pang specs po ni CB1000?
First is CB1000, meron siyang traction control na 3 mode.
Okay. Miss Cathy, para sa mga baguhan sa bike, ano ang nagagawa ng traction control?
So we have traction control that can turn into wet, standard and sports. Unlike sa other sir na like CB650, meron siya pero on and off lang. Unlike sa CB1000 na pwede mo siyang i-turn into wet, sport and then standard.
So this is more on kung ano yung riding conditions mo. Tsaka yung trip mo. Sport medyo mas aggressive. Riding. Pag wet, obviously medyo mas slippery yung daan.
Then the standard mode.
Tsaka yung standard. Galing, no?
I like sa others.
Okay.
Kaya yung choice. Number 1 choice.
Okay. Tapos mga brad, tingnan nyo dito. Obviously, all digital panel na siya. Hindi lang natin siya ma-on ngayon. Tapos for you to select, ito na siya, no? Yung mode and then the selection buttons. Yan. And ang CB1000, 1000R ba? 1000?
Yeah, 1000.
So CB1000R, ano ang SRP?
SRP niya sir, 865.
865,000.
65,000.
Parang ito niya yung gusto ko. Groovy, ba? Pwede ka na ba yun? 865,000. Ang ganda mga brad. Yun nga, sabi ni Miss Cathy, I don't think you would need much of a modification para formahan itong bike na ito. Pogi kasi kung pogi yung mga sports type, but if you're going for comfort level, but at the same time, gusto mo yung mayabang at saka you have the power, I think this is a very good bike. CB1000, hindi nakakangalay yung riding posture, riding stance mo. For touring siya. And, gwapo na.
All what you're looking for.
Oo, gwapo na. Oh, for 865,000, that should make sense, di ba? Okay. Tapos kung gusto kong, Miss Cathy, gusto kong medyo adventure naman. Yung touring na lang, iba pang touring bikes natin.
We do have CB500.
Ayan, tingnan natin CB500. CB500X?
Yeah.
Okay. This one?
Yes po.
Ayan.
Ano?
Pero medyo intimidating yung size na to.
Wala mo yung suspension nito.
So hindi siya ganun hirap. No? So this is CB500X, more for touring. Mas malaki yung distance sa suspension sa taas. No? Again, just because of the fact that it's touring. Saka iba yung ano to. Iba yung forma niya. Diba? Parang pang adventure na rin tayo. This is for touring, but you can pretty much go on a little trail.
City drive and then mountain drive.
Okay, mga light trail, diba? Light to medium trail. Ayan. What stands out about this bike is obviously you have the windshield, diba? For more relaxed driving. Para sa mga hindi nakakalam po ng purpose ng windshield, mga brad, windshield actually protects the driver and sa hangin kasi mas nakakapagod kapag salubong mo lahat ng hangin. So, it lessens the stress on the driver. Tsaka iba lalo yung mga bukso ng hangin, especially if you're speeding up this helps dun sa control. Okay. CB500X is how much?
413 for S. 430,000. SR.
413?
Yeah.
Ay, pwede. Parang kalahati ng presyo ng CB1000.
than 7,000, sir.
Maisip ko mami. 430,000. So you get this bike. Seat height niya, medyo tiptoe lang ng konti, but at least for my height is still good. So, siguro one of the choices natin to. Rebel, or this, or kung papayag si Mrs. yung CB1000. Papayag ba si Mrs.? Umiiging hindi daw eh. Ayan. Tapos, ang kapal sa kanya ng front suspension niya. Dual disc. Parehas ABS activated ito, no?
Yes po.
Ano ito? Let's try to ride. Titingnan ko lang kung hindi ako babagsak. Dito man! Brad, tingnan niya. Tingnan may pa ako. Again, I am about almost 5'10" in height. Yan.
870 kasi sa rin.
Seat height is 870.
Unlike CB1000 na 830. Yeah.
African Twin is how many cc?
998, so that's 1,000.
Okay.
So, every time na may
okay. So keep an eye mga brad, every time you have this parang gradient maroonish black logo ng Honda, it's 1,000cc matic na yan.
I think it's crimson.
Anong color?
Crimson.
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 Ayun na yan, hindi ko alam yung color. Pero yung itsura na to, or yung type niya, parang CB500X. Parang ganun yung dating na, mataas, and then the windshield and stuff, right? But, ano yung mga specs ito that differentiates this one from, bukod sa 1,000cc siya?
Same lang naman.
Yung power din lang talaga of having a 1,000cc engine. Okay. And then you also have traction control here, I suppose, no? Kasi meron ka pa rin
EBS and
ayan, may mode, selection, EBS, dual disc brake sa harap. And you obviously have a lot of big bikes choices dito sa Honda Big Bikes Cabanatuan. If anyone is interested, where can we reach you?
So, ano na lang sir, by phone number.
Sige,
So, for
phone number.
inquiries and questions or quotation, you can reach me with Globe, for Globe po, 0936-059-6504. For Smart naman, 0908-708-4801. And then for email, it's catherinesevangelista@gmail.com po.
Okay. There you go. Any messages po sa mga motorcycle fans out there?
Safe ride.
Ayun,
Safety first.
Ayun. So, mga brand, again, this is Honda Big Bikes Cabanatuan. So if you have any questions, you may reach Miss Cathy. Or you can just drop by the store.
Yeah.
No?
Located at Pitas, Maharlika Highway. Cabanatuan City, Nueva Ecija.
Yun, hindi kayo magsisisi kasi sa lahat ng mga motorcycle shops na napuntahan namin ni Mrs., she knows what she's talking about. Good job, Nathan. So if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to subscribe. Tsaka hit that notification bell. May pamimigay tayo ng helmet. Sana makahabol ka pa doon mga brad. Salute!